Struggling to find data that lives on a different Excel sheet? Stop scrolling endlessly. VLOOKUP can fetch that info instantly, even across multiple sheets. Let's see it in action. Here's our example dataset. On Sheet 1, we have 15 employees with their IDs, names, and sales figures. On Sheet 2, we only have department info for 10 employees. That means some employees on Sheet 1 won't have department data in Sheet 2. This will be important later. Let's apply the VLOOKUP formula. In Sheet 1, go to the first blank cell under the department. Type equals VLOOKUP. Open parenthesis. First part lookup value. Our lookup value is the employee ID in Sheet 1. So click A2. Now type a comma. Switch to Sheet 2 and highlight both columns, employee ID and department, because that's the table array where Excel will search. Press F4 to lock the range. Type another comma. Next, column index number. Enter 2 since the department is in the second column. Type another comma, then false, to make sure Excel finds an exact match. Close the bracket and hit enter. Boom, the department appears instantly. Instead of always referring to Sheet 2 ranges like this, you can give that range a custom name with Excel's Define Name feature. Go to Sheet 2 and select the range that contains your employee IDs and departments. Look just above column A, you'll see the name box next to the formula bar. Type a clear name, like Department Data, and press Enter. Now Excel remembers this range by name. Back in Sheet 1, your VLOOKUP formula becomes super simple. Much cleaner, easier to read. And if you ever move or expand that range, the name automatically updates. Now, simply drag the fill handle down. Or double-click on it to instantly copy the formula across all rows. Excel finds the departments for the first 10 employees, but the last 5 return errors since they're missing in Sheet 2. Now let's clean things up. Instead of showing ugly errors, wrap your formula with IFERROR function like this. Finally, press Enter. Now, if a department doesn't exist, Excel will simply show Not Found, much clearer when sharing reports with your team. That's VLOOKUP across sheets, simple and smart. If this helped, hit like, share it, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more quick Excel wins. See you next time.